Hello everyone, welcome back to BOYItech Academy. On this video I'll be showing you how to create your doors and windows. So for this type of window that we'll be talking about today, it's a little bit different from our previous window that we have talked about. So these are the basic things that we're going to be sharing in this video. So it's a continuation of our work. That's our 4-bedroom duplex that we are doing. We're going to continue from where we stop. Okay, so from here now, this is our first floor, that's our ground floor, sorry. And then we have what? Our first floor, that's our dating level. This is our dating level. Let's start with door. Let's arrange it first. You click on architecture, go to door. You have already installed the template. That's your library. But in case you don't have it, you can still chat me up or drop a comment on the description. I will share my library that I'm using, my work. So you click on load family. Check here, we have what? Our door here. So we'll click on our external door. I want to do sliding door. We have different types of wall here, different types of door. Let's click on door, external door, and look for what? And look for the particular one we'll be using for our exterior now. Okay, can we just use this one? Let's just use this one. I'll just use this one for our external door, for instance. Down. Then from here we'll go back to our internal doors. Let's see how it should go. Okay, it's done loading. So we position our door here. This is our door. We're positioning our door at this particular point, so we can edit the door to suit the size we want. Click on edit type. Well, basically I think the 1.5 to me is okay, but you can still maintain it to be 1.2 if you just want it to be at 1.2. The height 2.1, then the width, let's make it to be 1.2. Press on OK. So we are done with this particular entrance door. Let's click on the door again. Let's load family here. Let's go back and look for internal doors. Okay, here is internal door. You can click on internal door. So just choose any door you want. I will choose. Let me just click this one, this wooden door here. Or should I use this particular? Let me just use this particular door here. For this one, I will make it 900 millimeter by 2.1 millimeters. That's the main door entrance. Okay, so let's click on here for our first room here. Yes, did I even make an exit door? Okay, I'm not making an exit door. Okay, here is our dining. Okay, so let me come. We can adjust it. Okay, so now let me go to decking level and click on the door. I'll click on the door so that I can position the remaining doors. Okay, this one is entrance to the master. This one should be our staircase. This one should be our other room. Okay, I've explained this direction. This is the meaning of direction. You can click here, any direction you want. This arrow now is pointing at the direction, so you come back to this particular point and then place this one here. So this is our toilet. I said okay. Sometimes you can be able to click on this wall and then any wall that you want, then create similar. You can also work that way. So let's just have what our walk-in closet. Let's assume here is a walk-in closet, and then here is the main toilet. So from here now, you have to click on what? Click on split, so that you can be able to split what? This particular, yes, so that I can make it open. Is an open, or if we decide, we can still leave it and make it a sliding glass here. Yes, you can still make it a glass here, not necessarily open. Let's just leave it and make it a glass here. Or here, let's just make it open. Or drop, let's just make it open. Create split. Use your split material. Just create it. Okay, this one now, let it go back to the up. We go back to decking. Yes. So now let's go back to our door. In our door, we can still go back to loot and then pick another door that we want to. We can still use this one. For instance, let me show you. You can still use this one. You can click here and then duplicate and make it to be 750. Click on it. If you don't want to carry another door, you want to use the same door for different sizes, then you come here. We have to duplicate it first, if not it will change the other doors. So you come back to your width here and then type your 750 and press OK. So now the door that you'll be using now is 750. So you can come here, yes, and then place it here. That's adjust the rotation here. So this particular place. So I say here now we're going to have what? A balcony. So you can, let me use door here. Yes. So this one should be at that other position. Stand back. Yes, the opening should be there. Here is the door to the balcony. Here is what? Here is also what? Let's take it to lintel 2. That's our staircase at this particular point. Okay, undo it please. So because of this our door now. Okay, no, let's just go about it. Let me just shape this particular, yes, and let me turn this one to inside so that I will not have, so the design will be a little bit functional. I will not have challenge here. Yes, so from here now, just come in and go to your living room here, and then this room is here, and then you can still add this room. If we are saying that this room is not enough, you can still project it. Understand, right? Let's project so that the under will just make it. Let's click. Let's just project so that the under will have our sit out there in 1.2. Yes, 1.2. So that our sit out there will have a shade. So from here now, from the decking level, let's leave it at overhead cost now. Overhead cost 2. Yes. So this particular now I have, so that I can be able to split it now. Okay, so now let me make it, or let me push it down to decking level. So I'll go to the top constraint and I want to make it down. Let's go to decking level, then I'll drop it there. Yes, so it's okay. So I've increased it, but in our floor plan now we are having what? We are having that particular wall. So from here now we're having this place. I want to put a sliding door. So I'll come and click on architecture, go to door, go back to load. Let's go back. See, or you can still go back to here. These are internal release door, so you can use this one, any one you want. Let me just use the first one. These are sliding doors. maintenance sliding door. Or we can still we have another folder for sliding different sliding doors. Okay, this one is not sliding door, sorry. Let's go back and look for sliding door. Yes, let's go back and click on this pointed and go back to door. Okay, I have a sliding door here, so let's click on what the glazing sliding door here. Yes, so we come and edit the dimension. Yes, so we are having it here. So here's our sliding door here, so you can come into what your working closet and enter into what your WC, that in your toilet. So from here now, let's go back to our flow level. From our flow level now, we're having one toilet here that we have not put door, so we'll click on the door. Let's go back to what, click on this particular property. Let's scroll down and look for that particular 750 door that we used. So if you have done it for the first time, anything you have done, you can always have it here. If you just click at the door, you can always have it there, or wall or anything, or window, and just at the property here and just click on it and look for it and look for what you want. So this one is the 900 that we want. So already here we are having what, a projection here, so we can still make it, we can still put our door for the entrance here like this. So if we want to have a store, you can be able to create store here and put door. Okay, let's just try it. Let's create it by making our building to look more functional. But you can leave it to be a big kitchen with island, and still decide to make it that way. So you can leave it this particular place. I would love to just take it away so that I can have a free flow here and stand by. But let me leave it. I'll come and delete it. But for now, let's leave it. If I am putting my furniture, then you can come and delete it and take it away. So from here now, we're having our door. Done with the installation of our door. You can go to our 3D and see what we have put. So it's only this one and this one that we are seeing at the upper floor. This is our what? Our sliding. This is the other door, and then this is the other door. These are the doors that we are. So I showed you want to see this thing in our, because the other time we have set our wall, we have given it color. So if you want to see it with that color, you can come here to this second icon at this top here, visual style, and click on it and come to realistic. So save the project. I think we are making progress. So we are starting with our what? Our door and window. Yes, after the door, I'm moving down to window, and then this window I'll show you different way of putting window, not the first way. Yes, the second way. These contemporary windows that we are seeing is 450 by 1.8 or 2 meter, or this light touch window. So this is how you go about it. So you see, this is the color and everything is showing in color form. So we can still go back to our what, our flow. Okay, we are done with door. We are moving to our window. For this window now, the normal window we used to do is we click on this window, we'll go to family, still go back to the same place, that's our library. We still go to generic, we'll scroll down and then select our what, our window here. We have different type of window. The awning window, you see them, this window with projection, and we will be using a store, church and other places. We're having what? We're having casement window. So let me just pick this one so that will show us something. Let me just click on this one. Let me come and place it. I will come and remove it, but for now, let me leave it so that I will show you something. Okay, so let's just assume that here is our what? Our window. Position is our window here. So you can see the window, that's the normal window. Yes, That's the normal window. It's already ready-made and fixed, but not this type of window I want. Okay, and then here now, my complete here, I'll leave it as what? I'll leave it as my media wall. I will not put any window here. So I'll be putting window at this particular point. And then this window that I'm going to put, I want to put a large window, a glass window. So I'll come to wall. Learn this thing. Pay attention and learn this thing. Let me have your attention here. You come to wall, and then you click at this particular property now. You scroll down towards storefront. You click on storefront. Now let me have what? A 3.6 window, large window facade. Yes, 3.6 window. So this is what I'm having now. If you go to my 3D, this is what I'm having now. So I will edit this particular window for my taste. So I'll go to edit. From this edit, I'll come back to your vertical. So that's the arrangement in vertical. The spacing. What do you want to have in that spacing? I want to have this is 600. Let me use 600, and then the horizontal. Let me have it at should be 1.8. Let me have it at 1.8. Let me see what I'll be having here. Yes. So and then this one is flow, and then I'll take it to what? Take it to lintel level. Lintel level 1. Lintel level. So this one, I want to have it one course from my flow level. I'll put one course of block, or one course, or I'll offset it with 300 for those people that are not using block. Yes, let me put 300 so that I can get my 1.8. Yes, so you are seeing that. So I'm having what? This particular large facet of window. So with this particular setup now, I can be able to do so many things here now. So let me click on this particular and then create similar. I've already set it up. I don't want to be going all over. So let me just put my 450 window, enter, come back and do some space, half block, come back and do 450, come back, half block again, do 450. Yes. So I'm having it. If I come to my 3D now, this is what I'm having it here. This is what I'm having. This type of window, and it is a trending window that most people are going about now. So, but check something now. Check something. Let me show you something. This one where I'm having what my frame here, but this one is having no frame, just glass. So basically, the fault or the problem is this direction. So if you not set the direction well, so now I'm setting the direction now. So I'm setting the direction. So now I'll come and I can be able to see it now in what? Yes, see me there, right? So this is what I'm having here. So now this is how I will just follow it gradually, and then I will set it. Let me assume this particular. To make it more easy, you can still come here again and do it. So to make it more easy now, you can still copy this particular. Window and place it at this particular point. Since I already set it, and then I want the same window here. That's one thing with computer. One thing with technology, you can have the flexibility to duplicate. But here now you cannot duplicate it here. You can only, if you wish, make it at this point now. So now if I'm doing this one too, I'll still click on one, and then right click on create similar. Let me come to my dining now, and then have what? This one, let me have a big one here, 1.8, just a big 1.8 now. So this is my so I can come here still I can decide to have a glazing now from this top here. I say 1.5. Let me have 1.5. But this one now, I want it to be from ground to up. As from this level. I can click on only this one now, and then go to duplicate. Okay, so put duplicate. Okay, you take it down to the level you want. This one is a floor level. You can take it to lintel level 2, lintel 2. You can have it at this point. Are you seeing? Are you seeing what I'm having? Are you seeing what I'm having? So this is how to go about all this glazing and then this type of design. Yes. So now I see here is my particular listing bar. So let me go to my decking now. Yes. So my decking, I can create similar. Yes. So here I'm having what? I can make it 450. Let me go and edit it. So from decking now, let me take it to lintel level 2. Yes. Okay, let me copy it. Should I make it 3, or let me just make it 2 for this side, and then let me make it another 2 here, for instance. Yes. So now if I like here, complete here now, I will make it to be my what? My media, and that's my floor beds decoration design, and allow here to be a design complete here. And then I can have my chairs here and everything. I can decide to make just the what is on ground. I will make it here to be another long form listing, long form windows. So this particular this window here, I can decide to make 3 or 2 here. Let me create similar 450. 450. I can make 3 450. Can make 3 I can make 3. Yes, I can click on this particular place. I will come and pick it up, place it here. Yes, carry it from here, can place it here. Yes, so this particular one now, I can make it, I can give them 2 here if I really want to have double window, cross ventilation, if I like. I can have it like this. So with what I'm having now, I'm having what? My windows and my what? Are you seeing it? These are my windows and these are what? And my doors. So I've set it now. So I think this window is quite different from the first window that we have been using. Yes, this direct window. So but this contemporary design that we're having, this is how we go about it. That's why I'm saying that we are going from one step to another step. You see, we are done with this bungalow, the basics, but now we are going more deeper and then using more sophisticated ideas to go about our design, and so that we can meet up with what the reality of our contemporary designs here. Okay, so our building is coming up gradually. So on our next video now, we're going to be looking at our floor level, to work on the floor level and our decking level. Yes, so from there it will start to give us the shape of the building, and then from there we can know what to add for the aesthetic of the building. So we're going to, after the flooring, we're going to look at the aesthetics of the building. So from there we're going to move to the roofing, and then get the landscaping. I will try a render, and then the inside we're going to have some furniture and arrange it properly. So this is our target for our next video, our next class. So thank you very much for learning Revit with BOYItech. If you found this video interesting, worth learning, so you can stay with us. You can invite your friends, share it, so that other people will still learn. I usually say it, architects possess so much potential, but they lack how to express it. But with the advent of Revit software now, we have this opportunity to express our creativity and then to express our giftings. So thank you very much. We'll meet on the next video. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I still remain BOYItech. Thank you very much.